Can I feel the joy of being with you? How can I chase the pain away for good? Well, this is calling me, all is not true. I bring some mistletoe with me. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, can you feel the joy when Santa Claus comes to town? Santa Claus has come to town. Have you wrote your list to hit up for good? Hurry down the chimney tonight. I wait impatiently for you, my Santa baby. I really do believe in you. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You, can you feel the joy when Santa Claus comes to town? Santa Claus has come to town. And I remember the presents and the lights in the trees, the smell of chestnut boiling on the heat. And I remember dreaming, buried in a comfy blanket that I will never forget. When I was waiting for the snow to fall to make a giant snowman, my heart was tingling over and over. I won't forget the snowman, I won't forget those years, an amazing time I love. This will forever be the wonders of Christmas. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around fairies of December. You, I see everywhere around fairies of December. You, can you feel the joy when Santa Claus has come to town? Can you feel the joy when Santa Claus has come to town?
Okay, 5 pa rin. That's good. So, ready na ba ang ating, Pedro? Ready na for the introduction? Hindi lang daw sa inyo. Pwede mo split? Pwede mo kanta?
Bawal ng away.
Asa naman?
Akin to. Ano yan?
Ang sunod na lang. Kung ready, kasi ready ha. Ang sunod. Ready na. Okay. So, kanina, di ba, sinabi ni Ma'am Grace na God is good. Anong kapatid mo sa doon? Okay, meron pa rin isa doon. God is good. Sobra, sobra, sobra. Di ba, the goodness of God is to all of us. Okay. So, it's very evident in the Carbonalcan family, the goodness of God. So, yung goodness ng Panginoon ay hindi lang sa mga adult, kasama na rin natin at young ones. So, this is the importance of having bonding with one another. Nasaan na yung ating get back? Punta na po dito yung intermission. Time is running. The clock is ticking. Ay, nandito na si Zia. So, mamaya, singilin mo lang si Lolo sa preview mo siya. Sinong Lolo? Si Lolo? Si Lula Libay. Okay, so let's have intermission number from the Moises Carbonate Land. Okay, let's all welcome Mavi and Marvin. Ay, ako, at least Marvin. Ay, wow.
Gaano oras tayo, ma? Ha? 4? Wala, hindi na makapag-swim yung mga bata niya. Kasi ang inertila lang yata ito lang. Ano lang talaga, parang meeting na siguro. O venue. Ha? Tissue.
Ayaw.
Pwede pala dyan, manigarilyo. Ulo ko.
Please, any Mother B, power off ato ang muan. Ang laptop, hello, ang bat. Dapat, hello. Kalipat. Cellphone na lang siguro para kuhain ang oras sayang. Para magamit ang time. Ano? Kung maglagis ka rin siya karoon,
ang isang pinag sa lugar na yun, hindi niya masusunod. So, ang pinapawag is our rallying point. Dito tayo talaga ng So, ang pinapawag is, so, kaninang sabi ko,